Yamid. What me say? Money now.
I know. Said I not pretend. That's why I'm driving the car in top. No, me not trust them. No one apart, me no one link up.
Ya lang time lang si tu Yamid you know. Yaman. Oh, never be that up so no Yamid. Yamid. Wait, you say at the service, sir. At the service, sir. Hold on, you know say you me a call. Eh? At the service, sir. Alright, yo, now why you get 2 Yamid for me no? Yaman, me a friend over there, sir. Yamid shall get. Alright, bring me 12 dozen. Right now? Yeah. Right now. Yummy right now? Yeah, right now. Oh! Yo, sir, you know something about boy just say. Yamid, if you any money, just any Yamid. Any Yamid. Do. Yes, any Yamid. Yeah. Anyone? Any Yamid. Anyone? Yes, anyone. Go for Yamid. Wait, anyone? You know, get no I'm thinking. Go on. Yes, sir. Why you look at that meetings? Yes, sir. Me know the man know oh, you come from me now?
How you man? No, who you? Where you come from?
Me know the man, you know the man. We have the Yamid them, you see me? Yeah. Man. So Yamid.
Oh, I'm not somebody have Yamid man.
Empty-handed. Where Yamid there?
Me have somebody have Yamid man.
So man, feed up. Go for them. Go on, man. I'm there, so wait for no long. What the hell is that?
Where's your one, boss? Where's your one? Yamid! Yeah! Don't move! Bossy, where's your one? Bossy, where you?
Yamid, what's away, Yamid? The man say you want it, Bossy? You want
No! Sit down, where's your one? Yamid!
Yeah, alright?
But bossy! More talk of money. M-O-N-E-Y! Money!
You have the money later, sir.
Money! What me want?
Money!
Bossy, what me want? Alright?
So where Yamid?
That's too bad, man. Yamid is here! Yamid man is here! Don't touch them now! Don't touch them! Me not there!
Where next one there?
Is that Yamid?
I told me fear. Watch out!
Bossy, don't sit up! Yamid! What me say? Money now!
M-O-N-E, what you want?
Bossy, you take me for fool, you know?
What?
You take me for fool! That's money me want!
Alright!
Bossy, you know say you are Yamid! You are really Yamid, you take me fool now. Watch out now, Bossy. Watch out now, Bossy. You take me for fool now, Bossy. Bossy, you're joking. As a matter of fact. Yamid, done it!
Now make sure you subscribe to Eat Boss channel, let's eat, and go down there so and click the red button there and make sure you click the bell, invite all of the girl them, your family member, and share to your friend them too. Cause you know we love the crowd, let's eat, yeah. We have to show them a video for them watching. Yeah, a new year, we need some subscriber.